Hello people and welcome back to Space Agent. Today I'm going to show you an event that will occur in September 25th. The moon visits the brilliant gas giants. On Friday, September 25th, the moon will join two bright gas giants of the solar system, Jupiter and Saturn, shining in the constellation Sagittarius. Learn how and when to observe this prominent trio and the stars surrounding it in the sky above you. Conjunction of the moon, Jupiter and Saturn. Having completed the first quarter of its orbit around the Earth on Thursday, September 24th, 2020, the moon is going to visit two bright gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. The conjunction of the moon and the largest planets of the solar system, Jupiter, will happen on Friday, September 25th, 2020 at 2:48 a.m. EDT, 6:48 GMT. Saturn will join them on the same day at 4:38 p.m. EDT, 2038 GMT. The moon will shine at a magnitude of -12.1, while brilliant Jupiter and yellowish Saturn will be at a magnitude of -2.4 and 0.2 respectively. As the evening sky darkens, look for the dazzling trio of the moon and the gas giants among the stars of the constellation Sagittarius. The conjunctions of the moon, Jupiter, Saturn provide the observers with the opportunity to make beautiful wide-view photographs. Also, good binoculars or an amateur telescope will allow you to enjoy Jupiter's Galilean moons and its great red spot, as well as Saturn's fascinating rings. The stargazing guide Star Walk 2 will help you not to miss the conjunction of the moon, Jupiter and Saturn. The moon, Jupiter and Saturn. Just turn the app's notifications on. Moreover, with Star Walk 2, you can easily spot the bright trio in the sky, determine the best viewing time, and get a lot of interesting information on these celestial objects. Activate the AR mode in Star Walk 2 app to enjoy the moon, Jupiter, Saturn, and other space objects shining over your current location. The constellation Sagittarius. This month you can observe the bright trio of the moon, Jupiter, and Saturn shining in the constellation Sagittarius. The constellation represents a mythical creature called Centaur, half man and half horse. The Babylonians associated Sagittarius with Nergal, the god of war and the underworld, the king of sunset. Below we list the 5 brightest stars of this constellation. Cos Australis or Ellipson Sagittarius is the brightest star of the constellation. It is a binary star shining at a magnitude of 1.85. Cos Australis is one of the 3 stars making the Archer's bow, along with Cos Media and Cos Borealis. The star's name comes from the Arabic word qaus, Yeah. قوس, meaning bow, and Latin australis, meaning southern. Nunci, also known as Sigma Sagittari, shines at a magnitude of 2.05. It is the second brightest star in the constellation of Sagittarius, glowing at the vein of Archer's arrow. Nunci is probably the oldest star name. Its meaning is uncertain, but it might be associated with the scared Babylonian city of Eridu. Ascela, or Zeta Sagittari, is a triple star system marking the Archer's armpit. It has a magnitude of 2.59. The star's name derives from a Latin word for armpit. Cos Media, or Delta Sagittari, and Cos Borealis, also known as Lambda Sagittari, are orange giant stars which have magnitude of 2.7 and 2.82 respectively. They shine at the Archer's bow close to Cos Australis. Names Cos Media and Cos Borealis derive from the Arabic word for bow and Latin words for middle and northern respectively. Take a tour of the constellation Sagittarius and its stars with Starwalk 2. Type the name of one of these the search field, and the application will show you its position on the sky. So more interesting facts about it, just tap on its name in the lower part of your screen. Keep looking up and enjoy the sky. Okay. Even though I think I didn't do it at all, I'm going to show you the constellation Cephas, because that day I told you that I will do it in the next video, but I didn't. Sorry for that. It's the constellation Cephas. From September to December, the circumpolar constellation of Cephas, the king is perfectly positioned for viewing nice and high in the northern sky during the evening. In form, Cephas is little more than a triangle affixed to one edge of a square, like a crooked house with a tail-pointed roof. To see the constellation in the sky, use Starwalk 2. Open the app, tap on the magnifier sign, put Cephas in the search field, and enjoy its beauty on the sky map. You can also change the constellation's visual appearance in the settings depending on your preferences. Make it look like the magnificent king figure, or just bright stars connected to the shape of a house. The Cephas constellation includes Delta Cephi, a pulsating supergiant star. Its variability occurs because it has consumed its core hydrogen and it's entering old age. There are many of these stars in the sky, including Polaris. They are known as Cepheid variable stars. In 1912, Henrietta Swan Leavitt of Harvard discovered that the time they take to cycle in the brightness, their period relates directly to their maximum brightness. Knowing that, she and other astronomers have been able to use them as standard candles to measure distances in the universe. Cepheid variables have been used to estimate the size of our Milky Way and to work out the distance of other galaxies like the Andromeda Galaxy. Investigate the night sky, enjoy its breathtaking view, and stay with us to learn more about the upcoming astronomical events. Happy stargazing. Okay. Okay, here is the moon here, Jupiter, Pluto, and Saturn. And this is the no, not that. It's the Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Here it is. Okay, like this. Here is the head here. Okay, here is the head here. The head. Here's the arrow. And here's the part that looks like the lower part of the horse. And the constellation Cephas here. Okay, the constellation Cephas. I don't know how it's far, but I think it's a little bit far than the. So the moon is here. Where's the moon? The moon is here, and the constellation Cephas is right. What? If I knew that it was right there, I wouldn't have typed it. Okay. Yeah, I changed the view of it. I need to go to the place that looks like. Yes, that was it. Yeah, that's okay. That's the constellation Cephas. Okay. And the moon. Oh yeah, I clicked on Sagittarius. The moon. You can see the moon. Okay. And the Jupiter and Saturn and Pluto, the same thing, even though Pluto wasn't there. Okay. See you next time. See you soon. Bye.